everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new way of making money online. It's going to be a good one again. Follow me along. Let's go. So the first app you want to have is called CharityMiles. So it's for charity. So if you want to raise money for a charity cause, you can use that company to do so. So it's very easy. You just download the app and they tell you just walking through your day, you can raise money and awareness for your favorite charities. So it's very simple. They're pretty famous too. They've been featured with these companies right here, JP Morgan, Salesforce, Lincoln International, etc. So yeah, that's a good one for charity. The second app you want to have is Evidation, if that's how you say it. And you can literally earn money just for walking, biking, swimming, and doing any other exercise that is tracked via the app. And so you just need to download the app. It's available in your App Store or Google Play, and it was featured in New York Times, Quartz. So here they explain to you how it works if you go here. So you track your activity by connecting health apps like Fitbit. So in Apple Health, everybody has at least one of the two, and then you can literally earn points and get paid per activity you're doing. So it's pretty cool. And you can also participate in research and you get points for that as well. So that's for the second one. All right, this one is called, the third one is called healthywage.com. And you literally can participate in weight loss challenges for cash prizes up to $10,000. So that's pretty cool. Here you have the challenges that you can check out. So here you can see the different challenges and the current pot. So you put money in there for sure, but then if you win, you can literally make money. So that's a pretty cool one. Okay, the fourth one is called Windwalk. So this one is only available on Android, but again, you get paid just by walking. And here is how it works. It's literally just a pedometer that counts your steps, and you get paid by just walking. So yeah, that's how it works. So here, how to earn money by walking with Windwalk pedometer. Walk to earn coins. One coin is 100 steps. Reach the 10K step goal to earn up to 100 coins daily for your sweat. So you can redeem your coins for rewards. Again, here they tell you what you can redeem them for. So Amazon, PlayStation, Walmart, Xbox, etc. And gift vouchers are received instantly in the app, no waiting time when you cash out. So it's pretty cool. So if you have an Android, if you have a spare Android, even if you just use iPhones, maybe check it out. So Windwalk is a really good one, and yeah, my brother is using this app, so he's had really good things to say about this app. Okay, the fifth one is my Walgreens Balance Rewards. So it's Walgreens Balance Rewards. So you pretty much need to get the app and then you link it to your fitness tracker. And then once you start moving, you earn points just by being active, pretty much. And you can also earn points for tracking your weight, blood pressure, blood glucose, sleep, the oximeter reading as well if it's good. um, and within the app, you can view your activity in steps and minutes on the Walgreens website, and you can see your total points that you get per month. So yeah, so it's pretty cool. If you're in the US, that one is for you because in Canada we do not have Walgreens. But for you guys, yeah, get my Walgreen rewards app and yeah, and check how you can make money just by being healthy. The sixth app or website, this one is only available on the App Store, so just on Apple, and it's called pkrewards.com, and you literally earn rewards for working out, and then you can redeem them for prizes. As you can see here, gift cards. So very simple. They tell you how it works. Track any workouts. You convert them into coins and you redeem your coins for prizes. And yeah, earn your first prize in 1 week. Download for free today. So you can download the app today and start earning. And then those are the prizes that you can potentially get just by being active. I think it's pretty cool. Okay, the number seven is pretty famous. You probably already know it. It's called Sweatcoin. So you go to sweatcode.in and you just download the app. Same thing. It's going to be converted into coins, and then you can redeem some gift cards, some prizes with the coins you're getting. So this one is available on the iOS devices and on the Android devices as well, and super easy. I've been using that one. I've used it quite a bit before when I had my Android. So, and I did redeem some prizes with that one. So, literally, yeah, this one, you can go ahead. I tried it. It's pretty good. You can as well become an influencer right here. That program that's good as well. Okay, the number eight app or website you need to have is called HiGi.com. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure. But yeah, so it's available on iOS and Android. And again, this one is a little bit different. So you can join for free and link your apps to update your points earned in the HiGi challenges. So you have challenges and that are week long or month long, and you can earn points as well per mile, um, and then you can redeem them for prizes. So yeah, so you need to log into that one. It's free to join. You can try it out. The number nine website or app you can use is called Better Points. So it's an app. Again, same principle. You just need to join. You record some activities and you earn rewards, and then you can with the points you're getting, you can redeem them for your rewards. Very simple again. It's available same on the Androids and on the Apple devices. So yeah, that's another one that's pretty good, and you can check it out. The 10th app that you need to get is Topia. And again, same thing, you just complete an activity. So make money by completing running tasks and tracking your steps with sports coin. So again, once you do that, you get coins that you can redeem for products. So electronics, fitness gear, PayPal cash, gift cards, and more. So that one is should be available for sure in Androids. I'm not sure if it's available for iPhones, but that one is for sure available on Androids. The 11th app you can get to make money just by being active is called Stepbet. It is available on Androids and iOS devices, so Apple and Google devices. And again, this is an app where you have challenges and you just bet on yourself to complete the challenge and get to your goal, and then you can get paid. So you just here it says make your goals for the whole game and split the pots. So get back your bet plus a profit. So that's pretty good if you like challenges. You like to compete with others. That's a good one because you can make money and you can win as well, in a sense of feeling better with yourself. So that's a good way of doing it. So you have this one as well. This is the 12th app that you should get to earn money by just being active and walking. It's mapmyfitness.com. It's available on Apple phones or Android phones, Google phones. And this is going to be the same principle. You have to join challenges and you can earn prizes if you win the challenges. So once you get the app, you'll be able to check that out. Again, another one that's available on Apple, and I think it is available as well. Yeah, it's available on Google devices as well. So let's go to the Apple one. It's called Carrot. So simply, as simple as the other ones, you get paid for walking. So here they tell you. Being active has never been more rewarding. So it's a free app that you can download on your phone, and you get paid just by walking. Users earn virtual currencies that can be used to play games, compete in challenges, bid on an auction, and earn rewards such as gift cards. So that's another one. I mean, it's pretty good because it's motivating. You're active. You want to be active, especially now we're getting into that period of the year where it's going to be harder to get outside because it's going to be cold in part of the world. I'm not going to say everywhere because we know that in Australia, New Zealand, it's going to get to summer. But here in North America, we're getting into winter and it's harder to get out. So if you get an app to motivate you and to as well earn some money just by walking, I mean, why not? That can help you mentally to get outside and be active. Thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope it was a useful one. Again, if it was, please give me some thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. See you guys.